Krea AI versus Midjourney. Which one is actually better? Short answer, it depends. Krea AI costs $9 per month. Midjourney costs $10 per month. Krea AI wins if you need real-time editing, video tools, and workflow control. Midjourney wins if you want the strongest artistic image quality from text prompts alone. Here's the full breakdown. Here are the three things that actually matter about these products. 1. Krea AI and Midjourney excel at different parts of the creative process. Krea lets images update in real time while users draw, move objects, use a webcam, or adjust prompts. Midjourney remains one of the most respected tools for artistic image quality and concept generation. 2. Neither platform fully replaces the other. Krea's advanced features consume compute units, with paid plans starting at 5,000 monthly units. Midjourney lacks Krea's real-time canvas workflow and editing-focused tools. 3. Many professionals end up using both. Community discussions repeatedly describe creators starting projects in Krea, then moving their best outputs into Midjourney for refinement and exploration. Now let me show you a real-world workflow that explains why so many professionals use both platforms. Imagine a designer creating a new ad campaign. The first step is generating ideas quickly. Krea AI is often the faster tool here because it can react instantly as prompts, sketches, layouts, and reference images change. A creator can test dozens of directions before committing to one. Once a promising concept appears, the workflow often shifts. The image moves into Midjourney, where the focus becomes visual quality, style exploration, and polished outputs. Instead of spending time generating ideas from scratch, Midjourney works from a stronger starting point. The same pattern appears across marketing, concept art, product visualization, and content creation. Krea handles experimentation, editing, video generation, and workflow control. Midjourney handles the final artistic push. That is why many professionals view them as complementary tools rather than direct replacements. So which one is worth it? Depends. Krea AI is the better fit if workflow control matters most. Midjourney is the better fit if final image quality matters most. But for many professionals, the better option is the one that fits your creative workflow, and that workflow often includes both. That is the full breakdown.